Hello dear students. This is Mrs. Pavitra Ashok. Welcome back to English class. In the previous session, we had discussed first part of the prose A Tribute to Netaji. We'll continue. Please open your textbook, students. I am going to read paragraph 4. Please follow as I read. Subhash was born at Cuttack, Odisha on January 23, 1897. His father, Janaki Nath Bose, was a famous lawyer. Bose was a brilliant student. He had very broad-minded views on freedom and other social issues, and his hungry soul was not satisfied with textbooks alone. Describing his childhood, he said, "In my infancy, I was brought into touch with English people, English education, and English culture. After that, I went back to our culture, both classical and modern." Moving on to the explanation. Students, as we all know that Subhash Chandra Bose was born on January 23, 1897 at Cuttack, Odisha. His father was Mr. Janaki Nath Bose and mother was Prabhavati Bose. His father, Mr. Janaki Nath Bose, was a famous lawyer, and his brother, Mr. Sharat Chandra Bose, was a barrister of Calcutta High Court. And Subhash Chandra Bose was a brilliant student. Since his childhood, he had broad-minded views on freedom and other social issues. As a student, he was not satisfied with textbooks alone, which means he got knowledge not only from the textbooks but also from the other sources. He was brought into touch with English people, English education, and English culture. Later on, he adopted Indian culture. Now please look at paragraph 5. Bose had a rebellious and independent spirit, and that was apparent from his earliest days. In the Presidency College, Kolkata, he organized a student strike to demonstrate against an Indian professor who had insultingly pushed away an Indian student. For this, Bose was expelled from the college. After a year, he was allowed to join the Scottish Church College in Kolkata, where he secured a first class in the BA examination. Please look at meanings of new words. Rebellious, disobedient and hard to control. Apparent, seen or understood. Demonstrate, exhibit. Expel, officially make someone to leave a place. Moving on to the explanation. Subhash Chandra Bose had a rebellious and independent spirit since his childhood. So, what happened when he was in the Presidency College? An English professor had insultingly pushed away an Indian student. Then, what did Subhash Chandra Bose do? Yes, he organized a student strike. For this, he was expelled from the college. After a year, he was allowed to join the Scottish Church College in Kolkata, where he secured a first class in the BA examination. So, Subhash Chandra Bose had completed his BA degree in the Scottish Church College in Kolkata. Now please look at paragraph 6. Subhash left for England on September 15, 1919 in order to study and appear at the Indian Civil Service ICS examination. After a year, he came out successfully and stood fourth in the order of merit. But his conscience would not allow him to serve the alien rulers even as a high executive. So, he resigned from the ICS and returned to India. Here, conscience means a person's moral sense of right or wrong. Moving on to the explanation. Subhash Chandra Bose left India on September 15, 1919 for England with the promise to his father that he would appear for the Indian Civil Service examination. He was selected in his first attempt and secured the fourth place. But as he didn't want to work under the alien rulers, he resigned his ICS post and jumped into the freedom movement. Dear students, in this session we have completed second part of the prose A Tribute to Netaji. I hope you all have understood. Now please answer these questions. Your first question is, what does ICS stand for? Yes, ICS stands for Indian Civil Service. Your second question is, what is the meaning of the word conscience? Conscience means a person's moral sense of right or wrong. Your third question is, when and where was Subhash Chandra Bose born? Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose was born at Cuttack, Odisha on January 23, 1897. Your next question is, in which college did Subhash Chandra Bose secure a first class in the BA examination? Yes, Subhash Chandra Bose secured a first class in the BA examination in the Scottish Church College in Kolkata. Dear students, now I am going to end up this session. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.